Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have another icon, 1988 Ford Mustang Saleen. This is number 291. Got Vince here, the owners, and to tell us a little bit about it. How we do today, Vince?
Doing well, thanks.
Dude, remember these from high school?
Exactly.
I couldn't afford one, man. I would sit in the dealership and just in awe between this and the convertible. Jeez, what an icon.
Definitely.
So tell us about it.
It's 1988, number 291, like you said. Originally charcoal gray. Previous owner decided to change it over to yellow. After he did the full restoration on it, both exterior and interior, he put it on, brought it to Parrot Jackson back in 2013, and they did some big thing with it. You could actually still buy the posters of it.
Yeah, you have the poster too, right?
I have the poster.
Is that going with the car? Or are you keeping that?
Yes, I'm gonna go in with the car.
Man, every kid in the day, bro, used to have this car on their wall, right next to the Lambo, the white Lambo.
Yeah. Car runs great. AC works. Everything works.
Beautiful.
Interior also, when they painted it, they redid the interior with yellow piping.
Looks great with the yellow piping. Man, they did a great job on the restoration on this car. Nothing is overdone. Literally as nice as it is when it rolled off the showroom floor. And now it's your turn to actually own one of these. Love the honeycomb wheels. Love how they numbered them all on the corner there. Also a plaque on the inner fender and inside as well. Beautiful clear lenses. Jeez. Light tint on the windows. Iconic spoiler. Yeah, beautiful. Does not get any nicer. Got the Recaros as it was. Man, what a beauty. And Saleen was such an innovator back in the day. Tires are like brand new. Got the iconic Flowmaster exhaust with the polished tips. I would have thought this was a collection.
Yes, who would have thought?
Who would have thought? We just bought these and beat the crap out of them. Probably had
very true.
10 or 15 of them.
Yep.
They were affordable back then.
Definitely.
Beautifully restored. Everything works. Recaros with the iconic mesh. Beautifully restored. Man, a door shut, beautiful. Showing 80,766 miles. How many miles on the resto, you think, Vince? How many miles on the resto, you think?
Not many. I was told somewhere around 5.
Wow, I believe it.
1,000, that is.
Yeah, of course. It's got the added 12 volt and USB. Make it modernized. Beautiful seat in the back.
I have the original center console for it.
You have the radio too?
I have the radio.
Cool. Beautiful headliner. Does it have the original speakers too?
That I don't know.
They look like they may have been upgraded, but who knows? Sure, it sounds good. Alpine stereo. Kind of what they did back in the day too with the Alpine. They all had the Koni air filter too, right?
Yep.
This one doesn't. It's nice and stock. Beautiful. Love it when it's stock. First thing we do is do a K&N and Flowmaster.
Yep, Flowmasters are in. I think they're 2-chamber.
It's not overly loud or anything.
TKO 600 with an aluminum drive shaft. That's the only thing that's been changed on this thing.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, even a Motorcraft Battery.
Motorcraft Battery. Still has the Koni on the...
Yeah, super cool. Man, what an icon. Those guys that couldn't afford it then, well, you found yourself one now. 880291. Man, what a car. Struts still work in the trunk, which is pretty cool. Look at that. Even the lights. Man, it does not get any nicer than this car. You told me it was nice, but jeez. This is like show quality.
Original spare.
Oh, very cool. Man, love the padding too. Just like they did it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, doesn't even look like it's ever been out of the car. You know, like the old trunk release thing?
Yep.
How cool. So pretty. Looks so good in yellow too.
Should have been that great now.
Right?
It was years later.
Yeah, years later. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button. Hit me up. Check out the website, weebyautos.com. Thanks again, Vince.
Thank you.
Sweet car, bro.